New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel. And in today's video, I will actually unbox one power adapter. It's for car. I have made a video on the car DVR. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel. And in today's video, I will actually unbox one power adapter. It's for car. I have made a video on the car DVR, which if you haven't watched that video, I'll send the links in the description. This was the car DVR which I actually made an unboxing video, and the installation video will be there. So this is the car DVR, but it requires a power supply unit which I have actually ordered, and it came today. So I'll make an unboxing video of that. But this car DVR video, if you haven't seen this video, you can go to the links in the description. I'll leave a card for that video. You can see the unboxing and technical overview and working of this car DVR. It is an Android car DVR with navigation, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and 4G support. Yes, it's running on Android 8.1. so if you haven't seen this video, you just check out that video. But what we are going to do is we are actually going to make another video for this power supply of this DVR. So for that we have actually got this box delivered today. I was trying to order it from the original company Johnson, which is the car DVR make, but it's little costly. It's around in Indian rupees it's around 600 rupees, but this one is little cheap, but it does work. It does that work. Although we have a power adapter for this, there's a car charger power adapter, but that cannot be used for I'll tell you why that cannot be used. I'll keep the DVR aside since I have not installed it because I did not got the power adapter. So this comes with a car charger. You can see this charger. Okay, normal car adapter charger, but I will be using this as a standby. The main power supply which I will be using it is this one. Okay, so what happens for parking monitoring and give a continuous power to the DVR, especially when you are doing the parking monitoring. So in that case you will need this backline adapter, which actually comes from the PC and connects to your car DVR. So it's basically a car DVR power adapter. It will say the details here: car DVR exclusive power box, that's what it says, and free volt input, that is 12 volt to 30 volt. So even if your battery is 12 volt or 24 volt, or it may go to 30 volt, it can support that. And the current, everything is in Chinese. The current voltage is written over here, 12 volt, which is 11.6 volt, that's minimum, and output is 2.5 ampere. So here is one doubt actually. The car DVR supports an output current, which it requires an output current of 3 ampere. This is a little low rating, 2.5 ampere, but we'll see how it works. So what happens is this two wires actually goes to the positive and negative of your battery, and this doesn't connect to the battery. It will connect to the fuse box. That's where it has to connect. And once it is connected to fuse box, you will have to connect this into the DVR. So basically it will connect here into the DVR. You can see the same connection here. Okay, it will connect like this. So basically I have got this. The only part which is left is installation, which I will be doing in a while. Okay, so the installation video will be coming soon, and it will be a typical installation of this DVR into a small car which I do have. So we'll wait for that video. But as of now, this is cost to me at around 300 rupees. That's pretty good buy, but I am still wondering if it doesn't support, I have to return it back because it says 3 amperes, so I'm a little bit worried for that. But we'll see. Before we connect it, we'll connect to the before we connect to the car, we'll actually connect to the device and see how it works. So this is the car DVR power box. So thanks my friends, thanks for watching this video. I'll be coming soon with the installation video of this car DVR, and that will actually be the second video of this. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like our channel.